Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of HTML series. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to include or how to add images in your web page using HTML. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. Okay, and this is my editor, and you can use your own editor. And yeah, that's my HTML file, and I'm going to show you how to add image into your web page. Okay, and HTML image, and inside the body we will write our code. Okay, now I'm going to see our web page. See, this is empty, and I'm going to add a title, and I'm going to add an image. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, it's very easy and simple. H1, this is the heading or title. Okay, image in HTML. Okay, and now using the image tag, you can add or include images into your web page. img, this is the tag. Okay, and it doesn't have any closing tag, just opening tag. Okay, and it has two attributes. Source, define the path of your image, and alt, give an alternate text about the image. Okay, and I have an image here, for example, first.png. Okay, I'm going to write the name of the path, and you can make a folder, and you can, for example, let's make a folder here, image, and I am going to drag and drop my image inside the folder. Move, yes. See, now I have inside the image, I have my inside the image folder, I have my image, and now I can, for example, say like that. See, my image folder, and inside the image folder I have this image. Okay, and for example, first image in HTML, for example, that's what you can write anything, for example, yeah, and text, for example, and see. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, Control S and open with live server. As you can see, I included an image in my web page, as you can see here. And using CSS, you can actually make the size, using style, for example, style. And I will make a complete series about CSS, how you can style your HTML, how you can actually design your web pages using CSS. Okay, and don't worry about that. Style, width and height, I can define width, for example, 2000 pixel. Okay, and height 300 pixel. And now let's see if the size of the image, see, oh, it doesn't look very good. Let's change the weight, for example, 500 pixels. Okay, and now let's check it out how it looks like. See, this looks good, pretty good. And you can add images anywhere you want, and you can actually align the image center, right, left. And in this tutorial I'm going to also show you how you can add a text, which moves from right to left to right, using marqutext. And it has also two attributes, behavior and direction. Direction, you can, for example, from left to right, or right to left, doesn't matter. For example, let's see how it looks like. Welcome to HTML series, and open with live server. See, that's moving from right to left. Yeah, maybe sometimes you need to add a title or text. Yeah, moving from right to left, left to right, using mark your text. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be happy to help you out with that. Bye bye.